Oh, hello. Welcome to my mobile office. So with this coronavirus thing going around, everyone's having to work from home. And this is my second home, if you will. I haven't made any videos lately. I've been busy working. But a project fell on my lap recently that's pretty neat. I like to tell you guys about, since I can't ride on a trip, at least a long trip, anytime soon. My brother bought a piece of property out here down in Freeport, Texas. And it turns out that property came with a boat, which he gave to me. It's a free boat. I just have to restore it. So that's why I'm down here this weekend, to start doing some work on the boat. I've done some cleaning up on the boat the last couple of weeks, and now it's time to get nitty gritty into the motor and all the knee deep and all the technical side of things. So let's get started. So I've been studying a lot of manuals. It's got a 3208 Caterpillar diesel engine in the boat, and there's not too much on YouTube regarding maintenance of the engine. It's spotty, but there's a lot of documentation that you can find. So I'm hoping that'll help me out. So let's get started. Oh, and all my Russian friends, Dobry day. So let's get started here. Let's go outside and take a look and see what we have here. Release the Kraken. Oh, forgot. Bella's here today. Not the dog, the bike. All right, this is Juno. Hey girl. Hey girl. Alaska. Hello there, Missy. And then the little wee one, that's Sitka. So they're all Alaska names. All right, get. This is Bella. She's a 2019 BMW R9T. Oh, get off my back. Yeah, I did a little work to it. But she's a nice little bike. Gets me around from point A to point B. What a view from the office, eh? No, that's not it. That's not the boat. That is a nice boat. Guy next to me is working on his. But here it is. Here's a boat I'm restoring. It is a 1987 Sea Ray 460. So it's about 46, 47 feet. It's been sitting slipped for about 2 years before I got my hands on it. So we were able to follow up the engine and move her out to here so I could work on it, have some open space to work on it. I power washed this twice so far, and it's starting to look pretty nice on the outside. I still need to do the side of the boat. I don't have a float or anything to get in the water to do it, but she's starting to come too. She needs a bit of work, but she's going to be really nice. I do have the cover, top cover. I power washed it and it's out drying in the back, and we'll put it back on here when we're done. So I have to work around. Let's go inside to the galley. Sure. Need a hand? Grab my tools. There's one big ass possum living in my boat. Oh, it's live. He's looking at me. He's trying to decide what he's gonna do. I see you, fucker. Ugly old thing. If I put the steps up, will you go out? That's the thing. If you don't, I'm gonna have to kill you. He's got eyes like Alaska, my dog, eyeing me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh crap, he's going deeper in there. So I'm about to power wash the side of the boat by swimming in the water along the side of the boat and trying to pressure wash it that way to see if it works or not. Let's not lose the gun, please. It's connected to the hose, so it'll be alright. Ooh, water is chilly. Water is a little chilly. Woo! Made me a homemade harness. With this rope. Oh yeah. Living the dream. Look at this ghetto setup. I just make sure I don't slip. I go underneath the boat, cut my leg up with a barnacle. Just another day in the life of. Downstairs we go. Here's the kitchen area. I call it a little RV on water, but she's not bad. She's not bad at all. Of course, you got your sofas, dining table. It's got 2 full baths. So here's a first bath. They call it a head. In boat terms, this is my first boat. So this is the second room. There's a bed. I'm replacing the cushions on the bed, but there's 2 beds here, and you know all the walls needs cleaning. Needs to steam wash them or something or another to get the stains out. I'm gonna maybe replace the wall lining. I don't know. And here's the main stateroom, and it's got its own bath. Yeah, so this one has a separate shower and toilet and sink, whereas the other one looks like it's all part of the same. the bath toilets in the showers, which is very Asian style. There's a lot of this in Asia where the bathroom is in the shower room. Anywho, that's pretty much the saloon. You've got the cockpit here, and all these electronics are probably obsolete. This back in 1987 or another. I don't know if they work or not, but the engines do run. I need to do some serious maintenance on it. It's been 2 years, so change the oil, change the coolant, transmission oil, flush out, all sorts of things. Okay, so here are the two Caterpillar 302s. As you can see, it could be in better condition, could be worse, but I've changed the fuel filter and cleaned out and changed the pre-filter, which is the water separator piece of it. Changed the bilge pump. That's all I've done so far. Then new batteries. So it's complicated, and there's a lot of moving parts in this boat that I'm not familiar with. It's a learning process, but it's a free boat. Can't complain, right? Can't complain. Oh, it's still leaking some diesel there. I'm gonna have to fix that. A lot of work to be done here. But, you know, we have plenty of time now that the coronavirus has gotten us sheltering from home. Could be worse. But that's the boat. Hopefully in the next couple of months we'll get her fixed up real nice and be able to travel up to the coast of Alaska or down the Bahamas. That'd be something. That would be something.